Hey everyone, what's happening? It's Adam, and Apple released these a while ago now, the Beats Studio Buds. And a lot of people are saying they are the AirPods Pro alternative or AirPods alternative. Listen, especially since these are operating system, or they're unbiased with an operating system, I should say, they're not the alternative to anything. When I'm reviewing these, I'm going to treat it as if it's just its own product. I don't really like to do comparisons because people like their specific brand and their specific sound signature, etc. So that's what I'm going to keep it out with these. I'm not going to do any comparisons or say they are the alternative to anything. So they're featuring active noise canceling and transparency mode, which is dope. And the fact that you can use them, like I said, they're unbiased to an OS system on Apple and Google. That's a huge bonus for Apple themselves and for the brand of Beats. So let's see what they have to offer. 5 hours ANC on, 8 hours ANC off, 10 hours ANC on, 16 ANC off, 15 hours, 24 hours total. Alrighty, true wireless earbuds, which are my favorite. If you have watched this channel before, that is what I like the most. Alright, it looks like I'm off to a clumsy start already, so let me see here. Alright, we have the control. Oh, dang, okay. This is dope how Apple actually has Apple Music on Android now, on Google's platform. So they're really winning with these already, just off the bat. Like I said, I am being so clumsy with these. Honestly, don't want to. Whoa, it's like a silicone tip. That's really soft. Okay, so of course it's Apple. They're using probably a similar or the same materials for their products with everything. A USB-C charger. This is just paperwork. All right, Android, this and that. Okay, so this is nothing important. These are the controls. So play, skip, go back, and then cycle through your modes, transparency, and this and that, and how to fit it. Really simple and straight to the point. I'm loving it. All right, I will admit it does kind of give me AirPods Pro vibes, but still, I'm not going to be looking at it like that. All right, and then here they are. Really soft, just very premium just in the hand already. I saw the red ones and the black ones, but for me, I'm more sticking to neutral colors now, especially if they have some white ones. Ooh, these are nice. Dang. Okay, these are, wow, they feel really good. All right, not bad. Really strong magnets. Yeah, they're definitely not closing out, coming out of there. And the lid closes really good too. A USB charger. Okay, they don't feel cheap at all. They do feel premium. I'm pretty dang impressed. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to have any issues with these at all. Now, since I'm basically just kind of doing an unboxing and impressions, I don't think I'll connect them or anything. I just wanted to show you what was in the box real quick and just kind of get a feel of them. I think they're pretty premium so far. I do like the way they look. I have no issues with them at all already. For $149 retail, I don't think I'm going to lose using these. I'm trying to think of the competition out there, and my biggest thing I'm looking out for when using these is I'm concerned about the sound quality. Because if they're made by Apple, I'm hoping Apple uses their awesome engineers to tune these. And it seems like they might have used other people that they didn't use for their engineering with their AirPods Pro. And of course, I'm recording this in one shot, so sorry for all the stuttering or just kind of talking over myself. But that's really the biggest thing I'm going to be concerned about. I'm not really concerned about how good the ANC is going to be or anything, or even transparency mode, just given the price range. But I wouldn't doubt if they're better than other true wireless earbuds in this price category of $149 and below. So, alrighty, by the time you're watching this, I probably have been using these for a couple of days. I just kind of do the unboxing as a teaser prior to giving out the full review, which usually comes out a few days afterwards. So thanks for watching this. I can't wait. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.